This morning I woke up looking for my Thieves Essential Oil blend, and I just couldn't find it. Then I remembered that yesterday one of my essential oil blends leaked, and this is what it did to the label. It just took the paint completely off, the dye, whatever. It's interesting that the lettering is still there. So imagine how good it does in your body. So what I did immediately, I took a little bit of goat milk and I put 2 drops of longevity, no, 1 drop of longevity and 2 drops of sleek essence in it, and I'm going to enjoy it. To your health. Almost finished drinking already. Totally forgot I wanted to add that. A little bit later I will have wheatgrass juice. So there.